Imagine building a professional website in less than 10 minutes without writing a single line of code. Sounds crazy, right? But today I'm going to compare two powerful AI tools, Claude AI and Gemini AI, to see which one can create the best website for free. And trust me, one of them surprised me a lot. Welcome back to AI Builders Academy, the channel where we learn, build, and innovate with AI. My name is Fred, and in today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how I created this fashion website completely with AI tools. We're going to compare Claude AI and Gemini AI side by side, test their website building abilities, deploy the website for free using Netlify, and finally, I'll show you how you can make money selling these websites on Fiverr and Upwork. So if you love AI, freelancing, or making money online, this video is for you. And before we start, take just 5 seconds to subscribe to the channel because I post AI tutorials like this every week. First, let me show you the website idea. The website is called Trend Stylist. It showcases modern fashion styles, clothing trends, stylish footwear, and contact information. Now here's the interesting part. I didn't manually write the website structure myself. Instead, I used ChatGPT to help me create the perfect prompt. So I opened ChatGPT and wrote something like this. I want a fashion website called Trend Stylist. The website should showcase stylish clothing and footwear trends. It should look modern, elegant, inspiring, and include contact information. Then after writing that, I asked ChatGPT, give me a professional prompt for this website. And boom, ChatGPT generated a complete website prompt for me. This is important because we are going to use the exact same prompt on both Claude AI and Gemini AI, so the comparison is fair. Now let's test Claude AI first. After opening Claude, I selected the Sonnet model and pasted the prompt generated by ChatGPT. Then I clicked Send. At first, Claude started generating the website code nicely. And honestly, the design looked clean, but there was one big problem. The images were not displaying correctly on the website. So I asked Claude, I want photos to display properly on the website. But then something happened. Claude suddenly told me I had reached the free usage limit and asked me to upgrade. And this is where things became frustrating. Because if you are a beginner using only free tools, limits like this can slow you down. So now, let's test Gemini AI. I copied the same prompt from ChatGPT and pasted it into Gemini. Then I selected the Pro model and clicked Generate. And wow, Gemini immediately started generating full HTML code for the website. No coding skills needed, no complicated setup, just one prompt. And honestly, Gemini surprised me. The structure looked cleaner, the design looked better, and everything generated smoothly. This is why AI is becoming so powerful today. Anyone can build websites now, even beginners. After Gemini finished generating the code, the next step was deploying the website online for free. For this, I used Netlify. Netlify is an amazing platform that lets you deploy websites by simply dragging and dropping your files. So after downloading the HTML code from Gemini, I opened Netlify, clicked Add New Project, dragged and dropped the website files, clicked Deploy, and within seconds, my website was live online. No hosting setup, no coding, no stress. That's actually insane. After deployment, I also changed the project name to make it look more professional. Instead of random generated names, I renamed it to Trend Stylist. And just like that, the website looked like a real business website created by a professional developer. So now the big question, which AI tool is better for building websites for free? In my opinion, Claude AI is smart and gives clean responses, but the free limitations can become a problem very quickly. Gemini AI, on the other hand, gave me a smoother experience, generated the code faster, and made deployment easier. So for beginners, I personally think Gemini AI is the better free option right now, but I want to hear your opinion too. Tell me in the comments, Claude AI or Gemini AI, which one would you choose? Now let me show you how you can actually make money using these AI tools. The first platform is Fiverr. Fiverr allows you to sell services like website development, graphic design, video editing, AI services, digital marketing, and much more. So if you can create websites like this using AI, you can sell them to clients. The second platform is Upwork. Upwork is another freelancing platform where businesses hire developers, AI engineers, and website creators. And the crazy thing is, many people are making real money using skills they learned for free online. So imagine this. You use AI tools like Gemini or Claude to build websites, then sell those websites on Fiverr or Upwork. That's powerful. So that's it for today's video. Today, we compared Claude AI and Gemini AI, built a website using AI, deployed it for free with Netlify, and even explored how to make money online with these skills. If this video helped you, make sure you like the video, subscribe to AI Builders Academy, and comment below which AI tool you think is the best. This is Fred from AI Builders Academy, where we learn, build, and innovate with AI. See you in the next video.